Good morning, my good people all over the world. This is Summer Best International Limited, the youngest car dealer worldwide. Small boy with a bigger God. How are they, my good people? This is a Mercedes GLC 300 AMG kit, 2021 model. This car has only 56,000 miles, 100% accident free, no single accident. This car has a panel roof, parking sensor, cruise control, reverse camera, LED light, all the features you need in the Mercedes. This car got it all for you. Ladies and gentlemen, I need a small amount in this car. I need a small amount in this car. I need only buying and shipping. For 2021 Mercedes GLC 300, 21 model, 100% accident free, I need 38 million naira for buying and shipping. Buying and shipping, 38 million naira. Pay and take. Pay and take. Take a look at the interior. This car is like a new. This car is like a new, of course. 21 model is a new car. Of course, 21 model is a new car. I need that 8 million naira. You go and enjoy yourself. Look at the power boot here. 2021 model. Stop playing. Take a look at the baby. GLC 300. Oh, 100%. Oh, 100%. You see him? Oh, 100%. Oh, 100%. Hell, nah, eh. Mercedes, we na rubu na mara rubu no wa. One can put on email. Eh? The good mason car because Chinekem. What am I better? Eh? The good over. Okay, I bought LM plan. Not a good interior over. Take a look at the interior. Is it not fitable? I need only 38 million naira for buying and shipping. 21 model. You call your custom, you go and do your custom duty. If you want me to include the custom duty, I will include it. But for buying and shipping, I will bring the motor to your destination. At 8 million naira, I will bring it for you. You go use your hand, go and do the custom duty. Custom duty don't concern me. It concern you. It don't concern me, it concern you. It concern me. Now, look at the power boot. That is the power boot. See the power boots. Car new model now. Car on 21 model. Bobbing car, but car obo Ana maka. Ana asundo ebi de easy. That's 8 million naira for 2021 model Mercedes GLC with AMG for the kit. Accident free, no accident history. I will give you the test number, you go and check. No single. Apart from the small scratch, what happened in the fender? Apart from that, go enjoy. Apart from the fender, small scratch, what happened in the fender? Here. Apart from small scratch, what happened in the fender? So the owner can't use the hand to corporate them. If you find any other thing here, I will give you this motor free. Apart from this fender, the owner is here with me. See the owner. That's the owner. You know they do chat things. If I give you the test number, if you check them, apart from this fender scratch, we get scratch, the owner can't correct them. I will give you your money back. You know they do magic here. So move on. If we tell you say make you buy. Clean title, 21 model, Mercedes GLC. Stop playing no more. Stop playing no more. Check mark. With AMG kits. Very, very cheap price. Very, very cheap. Very, very cheap. Very, very cheap. Very, very, very cheap. My profit in this car is only 500,000. Very, very cheap. People gonna go enjoy. It has a panel roof, everything it has. One thing I love in this motor is the alloy wheel. Woo! The alloy wheel can be like, this guy take it easy, they drive this motor. That's 8 million naira, you go and take your car and enjoy. I have to open Mercedes. I have to open them. You see, I'm
everything original.
New.
Everything original.
So no stress.
Headlight original, all this.
Everything you see here original. You know they do matching.
See, all original.
Look at
stickers.
You see, I'm
All rotation.
just go and drive your car. The owner there here with me. So what you need to do, that 8 million naira, we go buy and ship them for you. You go use your hand, go pay for the duty. If you want pay, if you don't want pay, well, no problem. Okay, my friend, close. Make I no go waste your time. The man need money, I make you one sell him. I said, okay, make I show my fans. That is my own. With parking sensor, the man need money. Very, very urgent too. If you pass today, forget it. Only one phone number one will get +971 54 77 32 651.